Moscow, the capital of Russia, is a city of rich history and culture. From its iconic onion dome churches to its astounding Soviet-era architecture, Moscow is a majestic city. Explore the magnificent city and you'll be captivated by its beauty and charm. The Moskva River meanders through the city, reflecting the sky and adding to its charm. Moscow's skyline is a captivating blend of old and new, with historic buildings standing tall alongside modern skyscrapers. The city's heart beats with energy, evident in its bustling streets and vibrant cultural scene. As you delve deeper, you'll discover impressive courtyards, charming cafes, and a sense of history that permeates every corner. Red Square is Moscow's most famous landmark and a symbol of Russia's power and resilience. It's a vast expanse of cobblestones, surrounded by some of the city's most iconic and astonishing buildings. The Kremlin, with its grand red brick walls and towers, is at one side of the square. Inside its walls lies the seat of Russian power, home to the President of Russia, and historic palaces and incredible cathedrals. Facing the Kremlin is Glavny Universalny Magazin, a magnificent 19th century shopping arcade with a glass roof that allows natural light to illuminate the interior. Red Square is a place where history comes alive, a must-visit for any traveler to have spectacular experience of Moscow. No visit to Red Square is complete without admiring the beauty of St. Basil's Cathedral. Its incredible and colorful onion domes are a marvelous sight to behold. Each dome is unique in design and color, representing the different chapels within the cathedral. Built in the 16th century, the cathedral was commissioned by Ivan the Terrible to commemorate his victory over the Kazan Khanate. The interior of the cathedral is just as impressive as its exterior, with a labyrinthine layout of chapels connected by a series of passageways and staircases. Our journey through Moscow continues to another iconic landmark, the Bolshoi Theater. Its grand architecture is a testament to Russia's artistic excellence. The Bolshoi Theater is an essential stop on your journey through this magnificent city. As we continue our journey through Moscow, we arrive at another remarkable landmark, the fountain Druzhba Narodov. This magnificent fountain is a symbol of unity, friendship, and strength of the Soviet Union's diverse republics. Our journey now brings us to a place where history and the cosmos intertwine, the Museum of Cosmonautics in Moscow. This extraordinary museum stands as a tribute to the monumental achievements of the Soviet space program. Within its walls, you'll find a vast collection of space artifacts that tell the story of humanity's quest to explore the final frontier. As we continue our exploration of Moscow, we encounter a beacon of faith and resilience, the Cathedral of Christ the Saviour. This majestic cathedral, with its golden domes and towering presence, stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of the Russian people. Today, it not only serves as a place of worship, but also as a symbol of Russia's rich cultural and religious heritage. As our journey through Moscow continues, we shift our gaze from the historical to the modern and innovative marvels. Rising majestically against the city skyline, the Federation Tower of Moscow stands as a modern marvel of architecture. Panorama 360, the highest observation deck in Europe on the 89th floor, offers a breathtaking view of the city from above. Experience the spectacular skyline like never before, with a 360-degree panoramic view. As our journey through Moscow comes to an end, we hope you've enjoyed this aerial tour of its timeless grandeur and hidden gems. From its majestic architecture to its rich and incredible cultural heritage, Moscow truly is a marvelous city.